Let's talk about be verbs. A verb is an action, state, or occurrence, like run, walk, dance, cry, or punch. To be means to exist. Be verbs tell us the state of being or existence. For example, am, is, are, was, and were are be verbs that you should know. I am hungry. I am tired. I am silly. I am awesome. I am loved. He is hungry. She is tired. He is silly. He is loved. They are hungry. They are tired. They are silly. They are awesome. They are loved. I was hungry. I was tired. I was silly. I was awesome. I was loved. They were hungry. They were tired. They were silly. They were awesome. They were loved. You also use be verbs in the progressive tenses, but we'll go over those in another video. If you want more, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like a lesson with me, go ahead and reach out on Instagram, shoot me an email, or send a text to the number in the description below. Hope to meet you soon. See you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.